Okay. Let's play Garage Doors. Woohoo! I heard there's an update. Let's see. Whoa, look at all these guys in here. What? Whoa, I just got teleported.
I clicked on your phone that said Garage Doors and it teleported you.
Oh, okay, well, I want to come teleport over to you.
When I was editing those videos, this video, I just made videos that I was editing the videos. I uploaded them to YouTube.
Nice.
Why is this door not lined up? It's not perfectly lined up. That's weird.
I don't know.
How do they make those garage doors?
I don't know. That panel is a little bit wonky. That's okay. Did you censor it? Nah, you snake. Okay.
Yeah, what?
Let's check out some new stuff. Ooh, is this giant tall gray one new? It looks new.
I haven't seen this one. Can I close it first?
Yep, go ahead. Wow, look up there. 4 springs.
What? There's nothing up there.
Wait, there's no door. Let's regen this.
Nothing to see. Whoa.
Oh, there it goes.
Let me open it first.
Holy biscuits, that thing is huge.
That looks so cool. How did it make that?
That's a 7 panel. Oh, it goes straight up. Look at all those springs up there. Oh, it's got a side mount motor. That's nice. That emergency pole is way too high. Nobody can reach that.
You're probably gonna need a stool.
Alright, close it, and I'll watch it from the outside.
Or a big rock. Wait, you can hit that button right here.
Okay, go ahead and hit it. This looks like a roller door.
Totally.
But it's not. Man, that thing is huge. Oh, it does go up a little bit. Okay. What else is new? Are these new?
I don't even remember this.
I'm bringing Pretzel back. The mother boys don't know how to act.
News, that's so nasty. Why is the speed of the grab force so slow? Well, this is the only speed I need to know. I think Rob's getting too.
Alright, I'm going over to this other house. I'm not Garage Door Game 2.
I just forgot.
You must be out your mind.
I keep calling you my wife saying. We're cutting that out. It's a
Nice door. 2 springs. Easy peasy, 4 panels.
I tried to break the garage.
Beautiful.
But I was nervous.
Okay.
Because you were making a video. There's a close button right here. Why don't you hit it?
Okay. Sure.
Really? You can act like that, kid.
Oh, did you censor it, Broski?
Oops.
Are you out your mind?
Hey, Poopy.
Oh, man. That one's a little bit wonky.
Hey, Cookie.
Only kids can say that. Okay, let's go check out this other. I feel like this other stuff over here is new. I don't recognize this big white house. Do you? Holy whiskers! Look at this. It's got wood beams inside, and steel beams, or concrete or something.
Since I was too slow, I'm coming.
You coming?
Yes, I might be hungry.
All right, you better hurry up.
Be quiet, I'm driving. Be quiet, I'm driving.
Oh, you're driving a car? Oh, are you kidding me? Are you? Oh, you've got to be kidding me right now. Oh! Oh!
Be quiet. Be quiet, I'm driving.
Whatever. This is not safe, kids. Don't try this at home.
Well, unfortunately, kids not.
Okay.
I broke one of the garage
This is a pretty cool door. I don't remember if this one's fresh or not.
I broke the garage door.
Whoa, that comes down fast.
Oh, you go down this car speed.
Whoa.
That's how fast you drive. Because kids do not even know how to drive. Haha.
Oh, okay, let's see. What else is new? I don't know if this one's new or not, but I'm gonna try it. This one looks a lot like that other one that has that wonky.
The garage doors are the car doors. I broke the garage door.
Are you serious? You broke a door? Dude, you better not break any doors. You might get kicked out of this experience. Okay, door coming down. Hello, Pookie.
Only adults can say that.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna teleport over to this place.
Wait, I can make that next time I tablet. I screen recorded someone else's
Teleport.
and I put them on.
Let's see if this door's new. Oh, are you serious? Oh, you could really hurt me. Oh, look what you did to that door.
I didn't do that right now.
Oh, you definitely did that. We're totally gonna get kicked out of this experience.
Wait a second. I didn't mean to.
Maybe they'll forgive us. Maybe no one's watching. Let's go, door.
We just like breaking garage.
Do your part.
We just like speeding up. We just like speeding up. And we accidentally run into the garage.
This world is pretty cool. I like how you can teleport to the different doors. It kind of speeds it up if you want to go quick with them. I don't remember if this door is new or not. I think this one's still here.
Help me out.
Why? What are you doing?
Be quiet, I'm driving.
You're not driving.
Woo!
That door doesn't work that well. Let's go check out this one's wonky donkey.
Let me fix the garage door. There, the garage door's fixed. I drove over some rocks. Fun thoughts roller coaster.
What the Sigma? Heading down. Nice. Okay. I wonder if this music is copyrighted. Because I think the last time we played this game, the music was copyrighted. I think this guy said that he was gonna switch it out.
I have a coming up soon thing. It says, look. It says, why would you need that big what? It says,
wait. Touch this to teleport to new map? Are you kidding me? There's a new map. I didn't see this. Come over here. Grocery Game 4. Come check it out.
okay.
What's this sign say? Oh, summer update, part 2 of 2. Every door has the least amount of parts it can have for mobile optimization. Added more doors.
Woohoo!
Alright, let's go to the new map.
That means you like breaking garage doors.
Alright, I'm going to the new map. See ya! Whoa.
Let me come.
Touch this to teleport to the main map. Okay, this is the new map. So this is just kind of a work in progress.
Hello.
There's just like a couple doors right now.
I brought my sports car.
You did? You teleported your sports car? That's impressive.
Oh.
Really? You're gonna try to crash into me on this world too? Oh.
I hope you got hurt. I'm just kidding. Can you feel the pain?
Totes painful, bro.
I died.
Okay, let's see if I can open this one.
See
Going up.
ya pretty soon.
This is the slowest door I've ever seen. There it goes. Now it's speeding up.
Sensor. I'm a door sensor. I make doors. Sensor.
What's this coming up? Why would you need that big of a door on? I look excited. Okay.
I censored the garage door. Whoa, that's what I just looked at.
Woo!
I just looked at the big one.
Oh, you did? Oh.
I was about to show the viewers it. I was gonna show it to the viewers.
Get up, get up. Okay. This was great. There's a new part to this map. I enjoyed playing it.
Wait, there's one more thing, guys.
What is it?
Don't forget to tell the viewers about this.
What, are you trying to hit me? That is not something people are going to want to watch.
Please,
Oosh.
please restrict the viewers.
Oosh.
Please.
Don't try this.
Please restrict your viewers over 18.
Alright. This was a great update. Thanks to the creator for updating this. Have a good time. See you next time, guys.
Zoom in. See you next.
You know, I cannot actually see you.